Welcome back to another new video. So in this video we're going to solve another problem. Actually this is a very easy problem I solved ever. We're going to solve this problem using JavaScript. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to today's video. Here you can see we have the problem, and the problem name is sort by. So basically the problem is we have to sort an array which is coming from the parameter called array. Let me zoom in my screen, then I can see you clearly. I just zoom in my screen and you can see now clearly we have an array. So this is coming, this will pass an array and we have to sort the whole array by using this function. So we definitely use two of these. We have some examples. So this is all about, and they don't give us any restriction while restriction using a sort method or this kind of things. So let's solve this. I just open my VS Code and you can see in my code base I just copied the full function and I take the example one. Here you can see the example one is also the same. I just copy it and let's solve it. Our code will be like this. We're gonna return our array at first and we're gonna sort it simply. We actually solve this problem. If I run this code, you can see the code is running, but we don't use the second parameter. Here you can see the function. We have to use this function also, so we can't use only sort method. So what we're gonna do, we have the complex array method to compare each elements of that array, and we can organize the array like ascending order or descending order. So I think we're gonna do that. We all know about the method. We can make the complex situation, complex sorting using this sort method. So what you're gonna do, actually a minus b will be better. So all of the situations are same, but here we can control this. If I call this a minus b, that means you will check one by one element and decrementing and check for true false method that is inside the method. I don't talk the deep knowledge about this sort. I just talk about the solution of our LeetCode problem. That's why I don't discuss about the sort method in detail. Anyways, by calling a callback function, we can have the control to navigate our sort method. So if I change the variables or change the values like this, b minus a, then it will be sorted by descending order. Anyways, we want a minus b. That will be make sure that we are doing correct. This is the ascending method. Anyways, what we're gonna do, actually we have another condition called function. Let's simply call this function like this, and this is our solution. So what it does, actually function do nothing. This is a simple function. This returns the value like a or b. This return the same. It will work for any condition. That's why they give a parameter called function. If I run this, the same input, the same output actually. Let me check this line in our code, that is works or not. Let's run this and I hope it will work. Yeah, it accepted for 3 cases. So that's great. That's awesome. If I talk about the time complexity, because we actually discuss about the time complexity in every single video, so that's why if we talk about time complexity, it will make sure this will happen. So this is our time complexity, because our time complexity is totally depends upon 2 parameters. One is the main, one is array, main array, where we're gonna run our all operations. So this will definitely take times if the array length is too high. And another parameter we have a function fn. So we just use here a simple function. If we use complex or something else, that will take time. So that's why it will definitely take a log. And I hope you understand all the concepts by solving this problem. You're gonna try by yourself, and I hope you can do well. Anyways, if you are new in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, and I uploaded the problem solving or competitive programming type videos in my channel. You can watch them and you can improve your skills as well. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.